Hello and welcome to another video. Yes, the upload streak continues. Today we are looking at die versus die. I will be saying these words as I die and why die, because that is the only difference. So don't be confused when I say I die or why die. Now, in this video, we are going to teach you what these words mean, when to use them, and why do they sound like that. So now, what do these words even mean? Firstly, we're gonna set it up formally, question mark, IE and YE over here. So now for die IE, to become dead or stop living. So I think everyone over the age of 5 should know what the word die means, especially this bit. When someone becomes old, or when someone gets shot, or when someone ceases to exist, if they stop breathing, there are a lot of ways to die. But if something happens that they don't move, they don't breathe, and they eventually lose oxygen, they die. When they die, they cease to exist. So that is dying. But it can also mean to lose strength or force. If you kicked a soccer ball, first the ball would be really fast, but then over time it would slow down because the force will never always stay the same. After that, it'll stop. So it's dying down, as in the phrase. The pressure is dying down, or the speed is dying down. So that's dying down. Now for YE. Liquid or powder color used to change the color of something else. I'm going to use this dye to darken the color of this blue dress. So let's say you have this dress. This dress is red. You have some blue dye. If you pour it and you mix it thoroughly, the dress becomes blue because the redness has gone. But it can also mean to change the color of something, just like your hair is blue. If you dye it red, then your hair becomes red. You've dyed your hair. This is also working when you've dyed the dress. Dye can be used as a noun or a verb. A noun is the actual dye, the thing you use to change the color, and the verb is you doing it. Now that you know what these mean and how to use them, let's see if you're actually telling the truth. There are 4 questions here. You need to get at least 3 right, or 75% to pass. Let's see if you actually got them right, or you're just being a liar. Now, while you think about that, I'm going to tell you. 1 is DIE, and 2 is DYE. You got that? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now for question 1. Sometimes food such as blueberries or cranberries is used to dye cloth. That is 2. It's dyeing cloth. It is changing the color. Blueberries is blue, cranberries is red. After a while, the applause will die down. That is 1, because it'll die down. As I said, the phrase is die down. But it's also, the applause is losing its momentum. Less people are clapping, so it's getting smaller, which is dying down. The plant will die if you forget to water it. That's also number 1, because the plant will cease to exist because it will be very unhealthy and will die. This die is a beautiful color of green. That is 2 because it is talking about the noun die, which is the actual thing that you use to change it. It's just saying that it's green. So, how many did you get right? Let me know in the comments. Did you pass? Did you fail? Let's see. Now, you know what these words are. You know when to use them. Let's see why they sound like that. The long I sound is used by the IE letter pattern. As I've told you many times before, there are multiple letters to make a sound, especially in a vowel. So there can be I, IE, I-E, and these are the main ones. So this one is used IE, the I. That's why you don't say the I, because the E is together with the I. It's not the I, it's die. But it can also be made by the YE. I didn't add that in because not a lot of people use it. Now, why isn't it the? Well, Y is also a substitute vowel. It can replace other letters, especially I, like sky. Like sky, die, try. So it's a substitute vowel, but sometimes, like die, it uses an actual vowel to help it yell its name, die. So this is also die, by, I, ri, lie. So they all use this YE, and here they all use IE. Now let's break them up. Die, D, I. And for die, D, I. They both have 2 sounds and one graph and one digraph. Same with this one. It's a digraph because it has 2 letters. Now, this is the end of the video. Here I would like to say subscribe, share, like, comment, and all those stuff, notifications, everything. Turn them all on. Anyway, that's it for this video. Hope you have a wonderful day, and goodbye.